Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to renew your Fazaa card online in the UAE in 2026. So the process is very simple and it only takes a few minutes if you follow these steps. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for fazaa.ae, which is the official website of Fazaa. You can also follow the same steps via the Fazaa mobile application on your phone. If you already have the app installed, it's usually the easiest way to manage your membership. So once you open the platform, the next step is to log in into your Fazaa account. For that, click on the sign in option here on the top. Over here, provide your registered email address or membership ID. Afterwards, provide your password and simply log in into your account. After signing in, you will be able to basically get access to your membership dashboard. So in the membership dashboard, you need to look for the membership section or the card details section. Here you will see the information about your Fazaa card, including the expiry date. Now, if your card is close to expiring or already expired, you should see an option that would say renew membership or renew card. Simply click on the renewal option to continue. The system may ask you to confirm your personal information such as your name, contact number, the Emirates ID details. So make sure that everything is correct before moving to the next step. Now, in some cases, you may also need to upload the updated documents such as a copy of your Emirates ID or proof of employment, especially if your membership is connected to your workplace. Now, after reviewing all the details, simply submit the renewal request. If a renewal fee applies to your membership type, you will be asked to complete the payment online. Once the request is submitted, your application will be processed. After approval, Fazaa membership may be renewed and updated validity will appear in the Fazaa application. You can continue using your digital Fazaa card to access the discounts and the partner offers across the UAE. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.